Sand bypass pumping jetty.
Gold Coast Spit System is a unique construction with a length of 500 meters, located on the beach The Spit. The spit extends into the ocean on the north side, using a navigation channel Gold Coast Seaway, and stabilizing the entrance of the River Nerin. The transported goods are connected to South Stradbroke Island, continuing its natural shore on the north side. Bypass system brings significant benefits to the local community and the environment by preserving navigational infrastructure, stabilizing the coastline, and enhancing tourism appeal. However, like any system, it has associated costs and demands regular maintenance. Of the Gold Coast Spit System is that it was introduced in 1986, becoming the first of its kind in the world. Its new entrance for the transport of goods involves the construction of shipping infrastructure and regional industrial infrastructure on this area.
Thanks for watching. Duty Kakuta.